a worm or a snake? Oh, she's fighting for the snake. Hiding from the others. They're all coming to get it, huh? Yeah, she's going deep in the wood over there to eat her. Ah. She's running. Running, trying to just keep it for her. She won't have time to eat it, huh? She's trying to get an alone moment. Oh, there you are. Come on, show us your snake.
Worm.
Worms? That looks like a snake.
Snakes can kill chickens.
That's a small one, but it looks like one.
It's big. Stop. How's that?
Yeah, she's got it in the mouth. Running good. Now she's running from you girls. Yeah, she went under, huh?
I see her. She's pecking on it.
Burning quick, yeah? Careful, girl.
Don't get ash in your eye.
You'll be leaving today for a new home? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You are very beautiful, you know. Mommy's here with little sister. Little sister. And mommy. Oh, you wanna stay? You're the little one, the last one born, huh? They're leaving you aside. Yes, they are. They're twice your size over there, some of them. We got some bantams, but even the bantams are doing. So you here are a Wyandotte. Yes, you are. We got some iron Somalis, bantam, Buff Orpington. A good mix in there, huh? Yeah. Newly hatched little chicks. Out of the incubator just a few days ago. All right. So we just expanded the chicken coop. Keeps on expanding with more chickens. We just added these two. Well, actually it's one divided into additional cells. This one will be for our babies, the newly born chicks when they grow. And here is for the Bresses that are starting to grow and 6 months old. So they are not laying yet, but let me show you now that they're penned in. So that's one of the roosters. We have, I believe, in here 2 roosters and 3 hens. So these are our white Bresses. We ended up with 5 at the end. Between the one I bought at the hatchery in Missouri. No, in Mississippi. It was in Mississippi. And the eggs I ordered on eBay that were exclusively white. We ended up with these 5. Hey, don't fight over there, huh? Look at these blue legs, huh? Of course, I got my turkeys here. Wondering what's going on? Always around, turkeys. Yeah. So here are the 5 white Bresses. We have some gray and black one. But these are really the ones we want to keep, have eggs. And yeah, try some of these meat chicken ones. They're growing pretty good and pretty fast. Look at that rooster over there in the back. So they hatched in November. I need to check the date when it was in November, but December, January, February, March. I mean, they're less than 5 months old. This rooster over there is big, yeah? You are a big rooster. All right, let me get out. Back with my turkeys. Yes. Making sure I'm okay over there, huh? You're keeping a good care of me, right, Bobs? You're my Bobs. So we're gonna put our chicks here. So over there is one of the silver lace Wyandotte growing. We have plenty. That's an old English bantam. That's a silver laced Wyandotte. But yeah, so far, yeah, more. I actually got 30. They were on sale, very good price, and they all made it. So we have a lot of silver laced Wyandottes. But my favorites by far in terms of colors are these here. They are just beautiful. So beautiful. So I'm hoping they're starting to lay, not too much, but they are, and it looks like he might be doing his roostery job at the end. He might. Yeah. And little Wyandotte here. Some more Bresses here. We have a gray one right there. And that is a black one just behind, eating right there. Yep, that's a black Bresse. Maybe actually, you might not be the black one. You might be the, how did they call it? It was the mixed black mixed thing with some white. Because you got some reflection there, huh? Yes, you have. And you're big. You're a big rooster. You don't want to be disturbed, do you? And you're too young to lay. Yeah, I know. Can I come and check? No. Oh yeah, you have one right. Oh wow! You're not very friendly, huh? And that is it. The little boy is gone, eh? Just you and mommy now. Yeah. You don't see the pigs in this video, but little Gizmo is growing good. Peppa as well. Everybody's doing good. So update to come very soon on our farm animals. They are growing, expanding, more chicks hatching, turkeys hatching, a lot going on for the spring. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to know more about what's going on at the ranch. Next will be on the greenhouse. Stay tuned.